my name is Öykü. Today we are at Rahmi Museum. I will talk about history of front console on cars.
Hi, my name is Alishba and I'll be talking about the evolution of the car seat from it being a wooden bench to a much more ergonomic and comfortable form.
Hi, my name is Cemre and I'm going to be talking about the evolution of steering wheels on cars today.
The very first automobiles didn't even have a steering wheel. This is the Benz patent motor wagon from 1886. It was steered using a simple lever. This system was inspired more by boats than anything you would associate with modern cars. In the early 90s, the round steering wheel appeared. It made driving easier and safer. Cars like Ford Model A had this new design, and you can see Ford Model N in the front of this video. By the 1930s and 1940s, steering wheels had grown in size and importance. They became multifunctional, often housing the horn, signal switches, or decorative elements. Materials switched from simple wood to chrome, metal, and plastic, reflecting advances in industrial design. As cars became heavier and more powerful, steering them by hand became difficult. This era saw the rise of power-assisted steering. In large American cars, like those in the museum's collection, you can see massive steering wheels paired with hydraulic system to make turning easier than ever. In the late 20th century, steering wheels got smaller, smarter, and more ergonomic. Vehicles like the Anadolu, Turkey's first mass-produced car, showed this shift in user-centered design. Modern vehicles started including buttons for radio, cruise control, even airbags.
Now I'll show you how the car dashboards have changed over time. Our first car is the 1898 Malin Steamer, a steam-powered vehicle with just 2 pressure gauges and Kybert lamp for basic control. Next is the Krieger, one of the first electric cars. Its emitter and voltmeter are both functional and decorative. Then comes the 1924 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost Salamanca. Its wooden dashboard combined multiple dials with a refined. The 1933 Buick 6060 convertible shows more symmetrical, organized front unit with more gauges and polished detail. By 1939, the Ford Model 91A introduces a wider dashboard with horizontal lines and integrated clock, modern and stylish. The 1955 MG moves toward a compact, driver-focused layout. Everything is clean, clear, and sporty. The 2009 Onuk is all about performance. A large center tachometer and analog dials serve racing precision. Finally, the 2024 Maserati. The dashboard is now fully digital. Sleek screens have replaced analog gauges.
Car seats have come a long way since the 1886 Benz. Back then they looked more like wooden carriage benches, rigid and upright. In the 1910s and 20s, cars like the Fiat and Ford featured basic leather cushions with no thought for ergonomics. The 1924 Rolls-Royce introduced elegance, while the 1933 Buick and 1935 Bentley started shaping seats for posture. By 1939, Ford added spring-based cushioning. In the 50s and 60s, with cars like the MG and Porsche, bucket seats emerged. Jaguar and Ferrari pushed sportiness. The Dodge Viper in '92 showed off racing-inspired bolsters and integrated seatbelts. Meanwhile, Ferrari and Lamborghini in the '90s balanced luxury with performance. Onuk combined carbon fiber and tech, while the 2024 Mercedes showcases fully adjustable ergonomic seats with memory foam and active safety.